Hi, my name is Drew McDonald, and I am the founder of Realty Web Syndicate. Besides creating great real estate websites, we also provide lead generation tools for the real estate industry. Today, I am providing a preview of our new dashboard built on our lead generation platform. The RWS Dashboard is a self-serve real estate CRM platform for real estate professionals, teams, and brokerages. The RWS Dashboard is your central portal for managing prospects, messages, website traffic, and property listings. The RWS Dashboard will provide you with the metrics you need to measure the performance of your internet marketing. With the RWS Dashboard, you can track relationships over time and use visitors' behavior to learn more about their needs. The RWS Dashboard helps close more real estate transactions, turning leads into customers. With the RWS lead management tools, agents can capture and manage prospects on any RWS website. What you're currently viewing is the RWS dashboard, or the home page for the dashboard, and we get 4 important metrics: the number of prospects, the number of messages, the number of monthly visitors, and the number of listings that are included in the IDX. The dashboard also includes widgets. The widgets provide additional metrics for measuring the performance of your lead generation program. Dashboard widgets can be configured in a variety of layouts simply by dragging and dropping the widget. The widgets can also be closed by clicking the View button. The dashboard includes 6 widgets by default. Here we have the Messages widget, which displays a bar graph of the daily messages received from the website in the last 30 days. Next, we have the Visits Day of Week, which displays a bar graph with the website's number of visitors for the days of the week. Next, we have the Visitor Countries, which displays a bar graph of the website's visitor by country. Here we have the Visit Summary, which displays a line graph which includes the daily website traffic for the last 30 days. Next, we have Prospect Task, which displays a table with upcoming tasks for prospects. From the widget, you can view the prospects, edit the task, or delete the task. To-Do Task List displays a simple list of to-do items. To-do items can be easily created. Edited, or deleted. Next, we'll be looking at prospects. I could view prospects by either clicking on the View Details, or from the left sidebar under Prospects, click View Prospects. This will take me to a table layout which lists all the prospects. We can filter prospects by inactive or active statuses. We could also perform searches for prospects by simply typing in a keyword phrase. For individual prospects, you can either view or edit the prospects. By clicking on the View link, I can view the details of a prospect, which includes their contact information, as well as information as to when they signed up on the website. All prospects that register through the website will be stored in the database. The prospect can be edited by clicking the Edit link. Here we can view the Edit page for the individual prospect. Additional information can be entered on the prospect, including notes, status. You can assign a prospect status. If they're looking to buy, what's their time frame? If they need to sell a property before they can buy, if they're already working with an agent, if they require financing. By clicking the Save button, we save the data that we entered for the prospect, and then by clicking the View button, we can return to view the details for that prospect. And now we see those new details displaying here under Prospect Details. Prospect tools include viewing favorite listings and save searches. From the Save Search tab, we can view the search details, delete the search, or create new searches. You can create tasks for each prospect. You can add a task for a prospect from the prospect view page. Simply click the Create New Task button, then assign a task status, a due date, type of task, and a description. We can return to the prospect by clicking the Back Prospect button, and now we see the new task appears under the prospect profile. We can edit the task, or delete the task. We can return to the prospect list by clicking Back to List. And we can view all tasks assigned to all prospects by clicking the View Task button on the left menu. The task page displays a table view of all the current tasks. In addition, you can perform a search for individual prospects or specific tasks. Again, we can view the prospect directly from the task page and edit the task easily. From the prospect list page, you can also create a new prospect by clicking the Create New Prospect button. After the prospect has been created, you could either view or edit the prospect. In addition to prospects, you can also view messages received through the website contact forms. You can view messages by clicking the Messages link on the left side menu. From the Messages list, you can, again, perform searches for individual messages or click the View button to view the details of the message. Leads that come in as messages can be converted into prospects by clicking the Convert button. Next, we'll look at the visitor summary page. Here we get an overview of the website's visitor traffic. It includes draggable widgets for customizing the view, just like the dashboard. Widgets that are available include the keywords, the visit summary, visits day of week, referring websites, and keywords. From the visitor's log, you can view recent visitor activity on the website. The visitor log provides details on recent visitor activity on the website. you can view a visitor profile for each visitor to see an aggregate of their details and activity. The visitor feature requires that the tracking API credentials be installed on the website as well as entered within the settings of the dashboard. Again, from the visitor log view, we can perform searches for specific visitors. In this case, I'm doing a search for email because our visitor log records the email address of visitors who have registered on the website. From the visitor log, we can see individual listings and searches that the visitor performed. By clicking the View button, we can view the visitor profile, which includes detailed information on the visitor's activity. We can return to the visitor log by clicking Back to List. If you're curious about who this visitor is as a prospect, you can quickly view the prospect by typing in the visitor's name or email address into the Search Prospects field. Here we see this visitor has both favorites, listings, and saved searches. From the Prospects Favorites tab, you can click on the MLS number to view the details of the listing. By clicking the Back button, we can return to the prospect's profile page. The dashboard is integrated into the IDX using your MLS membership account. From the left side menu, you can click My Listings to view a list of listings that are currently in the IDX. You must be a member of the MLS in order to access the listings feature. Again, we can perform searches from the list view or click on the MLS number to view the details of the individual listing. Any editing of the listing should occur in the MLS, not through the dashboard. From Search Listings button on the left side menu under Listings, you can search and view listings. Using the form here, we can provide details of our MLS query. So I'm going to look for a condo in Naples between $350,000 and $550,000 and press the search button to view listings. From the search results, again, we can view individual listings or create a save search. Searches can be saved for individual prospects. You can use the search form to query the IDX database for listings. On the search results page, you can click the Save Search button to save the search query for a prospect. From the drop-down, select your prospect. Give the Save Search a title. By enabling email alerts, you can automatically send email updates to the prospect when new listings match the prospect's saved search. This is a great form of drip marketing that's built into the dashboard that allows you to automate the task of updating your prospects on new listings. It's also a great tool to get prospects to come back to the website and continue to use the website. Again, we can delete the Save Search by clicking the Delete Search button. That covers the basic functionality of the dashboard. In addition, you can edit your profile by clicking your name and then edit profile. Here you can update your contact info. Information entered in the profile will be used throughout the dashboard, including the autoresponder. For example, if I put my address into my profile and save it, that address will appear for the autoresponder. I can go to the autoresponder by clicking the name and then the autoresponder link. The autoresponder feature enables you to automatically send email messages. Information entered in the profile section will be used for the autoresponder using template tags. There are 3 autoresponder messages available for customization. You can use the basic autoresponder to autorespond to contact form submissions from the website. An email will be automatically sent when a visitor submits a message from the website. This autoresponder can be disabled. For the autoresponder, you must create a subject and a message. As you can see here, we're using the brackets with specific template tags to automatically fill in both prospect or contact information, as well as profile information for the agent. Template tags can be viewed here and can be easily copied and pasted into the message, as well as the subject. In addition to the basic autoresponder, there's also a sign-up email message when prospects register on the website, and this email will automatically be sent after a prospect registers on the website. The user can customize the welcome email subject and message, again using template tags. It'll fill in information from either the prospect or from the agent's profile. The third autoresponder is for alert emails. This autoresponder will generate an email automatically sent to users when new listings match their saved search criteria. The prospect search criteria is queried daily. If there are new listings matching their saved search criteria, the prospect has enabled email alerts for their saved search, then an email alert will be sent. Again, the email alerts can have custom subjects and messages, and you can enter contact and agent information using template tags. If you need help, you can click the help link, which will take you to our support website where you can open a ticket. You can also use our knowledge base to learn more about the dashboard or how to use your website. Thank you, and this concludes the presentation.